Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you haven't already installed the battle.net application, open up your web browser and type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. Once you end up within the battle.net website, you can download the application right from the homepage and install it by simply clicking through the next buttons. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it up, and you will be asked to enter your credentials to log in. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your battle.net account to use within your Hearthstone game, and then underneath you can type in your account password. After entering both your credentials, click on the login button or press the enter button and you will be logged in to your battle.net account right away. You also have the options to log in using your Google, your Facebook, as well as your Apple accounts, and even your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo and Steam. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the can't login button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from the forgot password option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.